It's easy when we live a busy life that we're just rushing from meeting to meeting and that we don't really have a lot of time to take a moment for ourselves right before we enter. The next meeting ahead might be very important to you, that you want to perform at your best. So the question is, how do we prepare for that? There's a lot of different things we can do. But the key is to create a little bit of space between the meeting at this very moment and the next meeting. To be able to be here and now. Some people like to have a quick meditation. There's meditations that are just 2-3 minutes to clear their mind and to be more present. Just take 3 deep breaths to sort of center yourself. That's another way of being more mindful. Others like to do power posing, like hands in the air and stand like that to build up the energy, to be more charismatic and more confident in the meeting. Others like to go through their nose to make sure that they're hitting specific things in the meeting. Another thing that high achievers do is to visualize the outcome, to focus on the goal and then picture in their head how they want the meeting to go and really focus their mind on that. We all have different pre-meeting routines, but the key here is not to apply all of this. The key is to find the one that makes most sense for you and that aligns with who you are. When it comes to negotiation, regardless if it is with a client, a partner, a gate agent, it's about being here and now and having routines and techniques that really help us to get the most out of the conversation, the negotiation, if you will. At Wellbeing Academy, we have a course specifically to help you master negotiation and leading with integrity and authenticity. But if you want to explore a meeting routine instead of just rushing from one meeting to another, especially during those meetings, maybe a negotiation to help you perform even better, take a step back and think about what makes you most excited and confident. What specific actions does that for you? And then find a way to schedule at least 5 minutes before the next meeting to do just